Hey guys, welcome back to my 365 AI tool challenge, and today I'm going to show you how can you use a Fathom AI. So basically Fathom is an AI meeting assistant that join your call, transcribe every word and write perfect summary. Let's get started. So step 1, go to any browser and search Fathom AI. Now click on sign up, and you can sign up with a Google or Microsoft. Next, connect your calendar, and then you can continue with a personal email or continue with a work email. Now click on continue. Now you can set up your preference. Now you can connect with your Zoom account. Next you have to download Fathom for Windows. Now you can open Fathom app to finish your setup. You can also get Chrome extension if you use Google Meet. Just go to setting and install Chrome extension. Now add it to Chrome. Now connect your Fathom account to activate. And now you can see we have a new button here. So you just click on record this and it will start recording. So once you start your meeting, Fathom will join you automatically as a silent participant, and you can see you got the guest, and now you have to admit. Now you can see Fathom note taker has joined the meeting. Next you can stop the meeting. Now click on view recording. Now we can see here our meeting, so it was only for 4 minutes, so it won't give you summary because it's too short to generate a summary. And then we have transcript, and you can see the transcript. So honestly, this is one of the best AI tool for taking note for the meeting. So you can also give a try and let me know what do you think, and I'll see you tomorrow with another AI tool.